Father's Day is coming up, and I've got gift ideas for the plant dad in your life. Let's get to it. Number one would be some new clippers or pruners. Corona makes a really good heavy duty one. Felcos are awesome, but these are always a good thing to have around the garden. While we're on the subject of pruners, get them some really high end, like Japanese shears, something like this, because these are really cool for finer cuts or bonsai, and they look really cool, especially if they're made in Japan. A Tilly hat. These are the best hats that you can buy. They're going to last you forever, and they have a lifetime guarantee if they ever don't. Vented on top, keeps your head cool, protects you from skin cancer. Binoculars or a spotting scope. These can be used for bird watching or other fun activities. A pocket chainsaw. Yeah, that's right. It's like a tiny little chainsaw, and it almost fits in your pocket, and that's really cool. Speaking of electric power tools for gardening, they make gardening pruners that are also power tools, and that's pretty cool. Cool gardening t-shirts or plant-related t-shirts. There's a bunch of them. I wear a lot of them that are from plantpop.com, like this one, but there's also some humorous ones that you can find on other websites. Since we're on the subject of clothing, you can also look into some good high-quality outdoor shoes. I like Danner brand a lot, but there are a lot of other ones out there. Okay, if you don't go with the pocket chainsaw, you can always do the pocket saw. A folding tree saw is a really good and handy thing to have. Next is beef jerky. It has nothing to do with gardening, but it's always a good gift for me and probably a lot of other dads. Next is a hori hori. They're useful for a lot of different things. Get one though that has a sheath that you can hook onto the belt, because that makes it even cooler. I know there are more ideas out there, but hopefully that will get you started on looking for that perfect gift. And if all else fails, you can always get a gift card to your favorite nursery so they can pick out their own plant that they love, or beef jerky if all else fails.